Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's take some quotes out of here. Reminder, someone out there feels happier because you exist. Aw, sweet. Remove these words from your vocabulary. I hope, I need, I can't. Use instead, I know, I can, and I could. A person can be in love and also unprepared to care for that love. Oh man. You can't always have a good day, but you can always face a bad day with a good attitude. Let them theory. Just let them. Allow them to do what they want. And let them. Mel Robbins. If not us, who? If not now, when? And last one today. The same people who are candy to our eyes can be poison to our hearts. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios.